Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices edged lower on Friday, extending the pullback from this week's 10-week high as investors booked some profits following the recent strong rally. Renewed tensions around the Strait of Hormuz also kept uncertainty elevated over inflation and the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. Despite the recent pullback, gold remains on track for a second consecutive weekly gain. On the technical front, MCX Gold erased its intraday losses to trade nearly flat while the overall trend remains positive. A breakout above 154,000 could push prices higher toward 155,500 and 156,300 levels on an intraday basis. Strong support stands at 151,500. Moving on to crude oil. Brent crude rose above $88 a barrel on Friday and is up more than 5% this week as the US increased economic pressure on Iran to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Washington would impose unprecedented economic measures while maintaining its naval blockade of Iranian ports, with further announcements expected next week. On the technical front, MCX crude oil opened lower but recovered its losses during the session. Strong support is placed at 7,750. A break below this level could drag prices towards 7,600 and 7,530. On the upside, resistance stands at 7,950, and a breakout above this level could signal a fresh bullish trend. Finally, let's look at copper. Copper futures fell to around $6.55 per pound, touching near two-week lows as elevated prices weakened demand and discouraged buyers in top consumer China. The Yangshan premium declined to $96 per ton from $115 per ton last month, indicating softer demand for imported copper. Technically, MCX copper is holding steady while trading within a positive trendline channel. A breakout above 1,380 could create a fresh buying opportunity, with prices potentially moving toward 1,395 and 1,403 levels on an intraday basis. Strong support is placed at 1,365. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.